Так. Greetings, YouTubers, SSG followers, my followers. So here I am. This is 2015 year, and I'm reporting my current progress on my Bedini SSG experiments. With the help of my friend, we built an additional construction. Out of zoom my camera. This construction will help me to put another coil like this. I hope you see what I am showing you. So this second coil will produce free energy because of the movement of the wheel. Out of zoom, sorry guys. Out of zoom. Okay. Right now is good with my zoom. So once again, I built this construction to put another coil like this, and this coil will be used for production of free energy. What I mean by that, the movement of the wheel producing a trigger. This is a radiant spikes, which I show you previously in my videos. If you don't know what I mean, just watch my previous videos. And when I produce this spike, the movement of the wheel happens and the wheel start to move. So when the wheel moving like this, I get a mechanical work of the wheel, and when I put the second coil, I will collect the energy from the second coil, and this energy will appear while why? Because the energy have a core which is from Lincoln R16 rods. I mean the same material as the Lincoln R16 rods. So my second coil will produce a field, then the field will collapse, and I will take this energy and put to the capacitor. Capacitor need to be capacitor. I don't yet buy it. So sorry guys for my English. What I want to say, I need to buy capacitors, very expensive capacitors, to gather this energy. But anyway, the idea to put a second coil to take this energy which happens in my system, which I previously did not catch it. So if my system currently hook up, I switch my system on to show you that I have here that my circuit working. Currently it didn't show that it's working because I've connected wrong battery. Wait a second, disconnect the circuit. Let me just quick take notice what I connected. Sometimes when the light bulb is on, it means that circuit had not been connected to the battery. Now I measure my connection to the battery like this, and then let me quick. Okay, now I start my circuit again. Okay, this is actually good sign that my battery is dead. Second battery, which I want to try to charge. This is no problem. I have always spare parts at my disposal, like this. I have this battery, and I just reconnect to another battery. It's no problem at all. Okay, I have minus to minus and other to plus. Bear with me, it sometimes happens. Plus, minus. Okay, I connected another battery, so let's check my system, and it means that the connection is not yet, or I have some broken connection. I know what was my mistake. I have here no, it's okay. So this only means that this light bulb is light on. Why? Because my energy did not go to the battery. So let me quickly disconnect. It just means that I have not hooked up all the connections which I have in my circuitry. And sometimes this happens, sometimes it's not always the case, but I see all connections are good. I just need to hook up another battery. And if I have a good battery, maybe like this, let me try this. Plus to plus and other to minus. And then I connect all things which I want to connect. Okay, this must be better. Okay, so what just happened already? What you show, it was a proof that my circuit is working. Why? Because if I do not connect good battery to the another end of my circuitry, immediately my protection start to work. In my protection, this is all lamps, LED lamps, which you can see here. So I hook up to the on. My system is on. My system is ready, and let's just see how it works with my newly added construction. Okay, and this is actually a good sign because I have so much energy that my battery currently can handle, and the immediately protection starts to light on. So this is a random test only to see if my construction holds and nothing interrupts the working of my system, and it's working. I just need to adapt better battery. I just have at my current disposal not. Oh, let me quick. Can you get me this battery? This one. Okay, I have here my good battery, and I just need to disconnect my system. Okay, I have here another battery which is even better. Okay, now I have this 12 volt 5 amp hour battery. So I connect my circuitry to the battery, plus to plus, minus to minus, and then I just need to you see the sparks. It's actually not damaging. It is like by Tesla. Yeah, this happens. Yeah, this is actually good. This is actually very good. So I connect my measurement equipment, my voltmeter. So here I have the voltage level of my charging battery. So this is battery like under the charge, so it's not charged battery. So, and this is the voltage of my primary battery. Of course, these two batteries are not of the same capacity. This is a just random test. This is not the C20 test where I can see actually how much energy I spent and how much energy I got. But anyway, this test only need to see how my construction is able to handle the working of my wheel and my circuitry. So let's just put on my system out of zoom. Oh, sorry guys. So I hook up my system on. It switched on, and voltage of my primary battery, voltage of my secondary battery, which is showing me that the battery is not charged. This battery is not charged, and I move the wheel, and immediately charging process happens. And if I move quicker the wheel, yeah. So the speed of the wheel actually is not so important. Important is that I actually catching these high voltage spikes. That's very fast but rapid, and when I disconnect one of my connections to the battery, I immediately see the spikes which I'm getting. And what happens? How I charge my battery? Maybe somebody of you forgot. I charge my battery by the short, by very powerful impulses. Sometimes my connections are not good with the battery, but it's stopping to. Okay, this is a good example too. So what actually happening? My wheel start. It's did not spinning pretty well because this battery is almost like, I see it's under the voltage too. So it's not a good exercise and experiment for me right now. But with this experiment, when I move the wheel once again, because I need to have one good battery at this side to get the system running, and this is actually not the case currently, but I clearly see my voltage spikes which I'm getting here. So important to get the system running with one good primary battery and run the system for 20 hours and then have results. But what I actually want to show you, that I with my friend built this pretty neat construction to hold another coil. So 2015 will be at the end, will be very interesting. So thank you all, and till then.